Hi girls, I'm going to do a quick tutorial for Modern Fundamentals on Tuesday. This is our Bulletproof dance. Let's get started. And then I'll do it with the music. So we're going to start, there's 8 counts in the very beginning of this dance. I want each of you to come up with your own bulletproof shape. It can be a high shape, a low shape, middle shape, whatever you want to do. And I'm going to spotlight you guys in our virtual dance video. So when we start this, we're going to have our right foot forward and our left foot back, and we are going to trip. We're going to go trip, so it goes right leg in front, left leg in the back, back, side, feet together, and when we come down, we're going to cover our mouth, okay? So trip in all my words, then we're going to go right, left, up, and this is Am I Patience. We're going to step out with the left foot, writing, and we're going to write our story. We're going to send it in the mail. And then we have groups 1, 2, and 3. I let you guys choose your group, so please just message me or email me what group you're in so that I can coordinate that in the video. So from here, it's going to go grab your chest and proclaim your story to the world. Okay? And that'll be a ripple, so you can do it. It's tell you how I feel, how I feel, how I feel. After this, we're going to jump up, put our right leg behind us, touch down on the ground, and have our left hand up. You're going to come up, bring your feet together, and you're going to be facing the back. From here, you're going to go, think my confidence. You're going to jump, and you're going to roll up and be straight. And it's going to go up. This is the right arm, left leg, up. And this is our hallelujah part. Okay? From here, it's going to go steal. And you guys can make this as dramatic as you want. The idea is that we are being chained up. So you can be really dramatic. You can be just kind of dramatic. Make it however you want to make it. I'm giving you guys creative freedom. So from our hallelujah part, we're going to go, I'm not made of steel, down. Okay? So it goes right arm, down. Then we're going to break free, and you're going to push out. So from here, it's going to go push out. And then again, I'm giving you guys creative freedom. You're going to look around because you just don't know how you're going to survive. You don't know how you're going to get through this pandemic or whatever it is. And then from there, you're going to reach out with the right hand. This is a lunge with the right leg. You're going to clap. And for a lot of you, I use the cookie analogy. You're reaching for the cookie on the counter and your mom says, no, you're not allowed to have the cookie. And she throws it away. All right? So you're going to reach out with the right hand, grab it with the left hand, bring it around, and hold it. It's like you're holding your cookie, okay? And then you're going to throw it and turn, all right? And then this part, I'm going to add this part for those of you who have been taking Zoom. I'm going to add a tiny little section to take up some music. We're going to go right arm, left arm, up. So it goes, I wish that I was. And this can be our, I can't believe you threw my cookie away. All right? Then we're going to roll to the floor, and we're going to back up. You're going to put your right leg under your left leg. You're going to grab your mouth, grab your eyes. You're going to pull back, pull forward. We're going to stand up. And then here, we're also going to do another bulletproof section. So you can make another bulletproof shape, and I'll highlight you guys. Then from here, after we stand up, we're going to go, I don't have super strength, can't run through fire. So what we're going to do is it's going to go leg up, out. This is the right leg. Right leg and right arm come up and out. Push it. You cannot believe this. We got to come up with a plan. I missed a part. It's okay, I'll edit this part out. So I went from, and my butt is wet. Anyway, so you're gonna go down to the ground. When you come back up, we're going to look around, see all my doubts. You're gonna step with the left foot. You're gonna ball up, at stress. And you're gonna throw it. And this is my right leg, right arm. Throw, step back and turn. Stand firm, okay? So this is like, I've had it. I cannot believe you took my cookie and threw it away. I'm gonna get revenge, okay? And then we're gonna do another bulletproof part right here. From here it goes, I don't have super strength. So we're gonna take the right arm and right leg, come up, super strength, we're gonna push it away, okay? So it's like, we have a strong army. No one's gonna take our cookie, all right? And when we go from here, we're going to cross our legs and our arms, or make a cross with both of them. And then you can do free arms, because this is gonna be like fire. From here, so let's do that one more time. Don't have super strength, can't run through fire. And then you're gonna be like going crazy. Oh my goodness, I'm going to figure this out, okay? So from here, and this is also free, you can be like, oh my goodness, I have a headache. And you can back up, you can stumble. From here, you're going to go, keep it real, right arm, left arm, hallelujah. Okay? Then we're gonna repeat. I'm not made of steel, down. From here, you're going to grab your mask, because we're wearing masks in this dance, because why not? So we're gonna grab our mask from behind our ears, and you can either let it fall and back up and walk away. You can ball it up and throw it and walk away, but you're tired of wearing your mask. So, I'm not made of steel, down. Grab your mask, take it off however you want, turn and walk away. And then that's the end of the video. Now with the music.